Hello my friends, welcome back to another video. Hope you're fine now friends. In this video once again I'm talking about the Spore finance. What's the currently price of the Spore finance and what's going at this time in the Spore finance in the market, and this video I also discuss the price changes occur in the Spore finance, the last 1 hour price change, the last 1 day price change, the last 1 week price change. We will discuss these all things in this video. Keep watch this video. This video going to be very special, going to be very important for all of you. That is why I suggest for all of you that keep watch this video till the end friends. And remember, if you are new in my channel, please click the subscribe button, like this video for more this kind of news and updates friends. Anyways, let's start the video. First of all, we talk about the currently at this time price of the Spore finance. As you can see here on the screen, the currently price of the Spore finance is the market as $0 friends. That's not mean that the price is exact zero. No, the price is not exact zero, but the price is very low. That is why here the price showing zero friends. Anyways, I will show you the price of the Spore finance in this video. Keep watch. And if you look the previous last 1 hour change, so the last 1 hour price change is positive. As you can see here on the screen, 0.42% change positive. And the last 20 price change as going negative. Same like that, the last 1 week change is again positive friends. Let's see the price chart for a better understanding and what's going in this time in Spore finance going. As you can see here, as I told you that the last 1 hour price change is positive, that's mean that at this time the Spore finance start pumping friends. So now it's a good news for all Spore finance holders. That's a surprise news for us that Spore finance take a high jump friends. But friends, if we look the previous time of the Spore finance, so as you can see here, the over and over fast continue in the Spore finance. As you can see here, it's absolutely the bait fast of the Spore finance. But remember that every cryptocurrencies have to fast. There's no one cryptocurrencies that only move upward friends. You have to, every cryptocurrencies have to fast down for a little time. After fast they take a jump. Same like this procedure continue in the cryptocurrencies market, and sometime fast down and sometime jump friends. That's the continuous procedure of the cryptocurrencies market friends. But you have to hold, you have to research about this coin, you have to research about the next move of the coin you have token you hold friends. You have to research about this coin, about this token friends. Anyways, if you talk about the price changes occur in the Spore finance, so the last 1 day, last 24-hour price change as negative 22.7% changes occur in the Spore finance in the last 1 day in the 24-hour friends. And as I told you that the price of the Spore finance is very low. That is why they're showing here as $0 in the start of this video friends. 0 point a lot of bundle of zero, after a bundle of zero there is a one. That is the price of Spore finance at this time in the market. You can read it on friends. But friends, please click the subscribe button for more this kind of news and updates. Thank you so much for watching this video.